Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today we bring you a recipe for beautiful, easy, and economical sweets that you can make anytime and for any occasion. If this is your first time watching us, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Let's start with the ingredients. To prepare the dough, we need 1 egg, almost a cup of sugar, almost a cup of oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients well until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then add orange flavor, 2 cups of cake flour, and 8 grams of baking powder. Finally, for decoration, we need sugar and powdered coconut. Knead all the ingredients until you get a firm dough. Once the dough is ready, prepare a plate with sugar and powdered coconut and mix them well. Then shape the dough into equal-sized balls and press them with your palm to create the shapes you want. Dip them in the prepared mixture, and you'll have beautiful and wonderful shapes. After arranging them on the baking tray, take any tool like a cutter, knife, or spoon, and make shapes on the dough to give it a stepped look or any symmetrical shapes. You can use any shapes you like because taste and creativity are indisputable in sweets and creativity. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel and be with us for every new update we offer you. Your subscription to the channel helps us provide more amazing recipes and useful content. Please don't hesitate to support and share. We promise to always deliver our best. Just subscribe to the channel and share your ideas with us. Your support by subscribing to the channel encourages us to continue delivering distinguished content and new ideas. So, be with us and subscribe to the channel. We work hard to provide everything useful and new for you. Thank you. For the second shape, which is the honeycomb, you can use the same method as before. Shape the dough into slightly larger balls, then press them into squares to get a simple and wonderful shape. It will look beautiful and easy. You can bake them in the oven for about 15 to 30 minutes until they turn golden brown. Use a cake mold available at confectionery shops or any mold you prefer. Before using the mold, it is advisable to dip the piece in a plate with a bit of flour to prevent sticking and get a great result. I hope these shapes turn out well for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video, and if you have any feedback or comments, leave them in the comments below the video. See you in the next video, and peace be upon you.